In this tutorial, I'll show you how to activate Amazon Pay so you can pay cash on Amazon. Firstly, go to Amazon.com or open the Amazon app and log in with your credentials. Navigate to the Accounts and Lists drop-down menu on the top right and select your account. Then scroll down to find the Amazon Pay section. Click on Activate Amazon Pay. Follow the instructions on the Amazon Pay website to complete your account setup. You may need to verify your identity and update your payment information. Once activated, you can use Amazon on third-party websites or within Amazon to make purchases. Or you can just contact the Amazon support team that you want to activate the Pay on Cash Amazon feature. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. You'll have Amazon payments ready to use just in a few minutes. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.